Okay, let's start. So in this video, I will be covering all the things which I didn't cover in my previous video, and I thought it was necessary to include all the things in this video and a few changes, uh, and to rectify also to few things. So let's start with ID. So, uh, as I told, ID is specific for every product you add here, and the thing is, the system demands it to be given at 5 p.m. Okay, our system will also pick all the blank IDs and will give itself a number, and it is not in our hand to give the ID number. Okay, so we will just leave it blank. So the new product here you will add, you will leave the ID blank, and our system will give it a specific ID, and all those things will remain same. Okay, you do not need to change anything to SKU. As I told in the previous video, it is unique for every product you add, and you will keep adding all the products. As you keep add all the products, you will assign the SKU ID serial word. Okay, so now I will be not covering all those things because already I have covered those in the previous videos. I will just cover all those sections which I think I was done here in the previous video, and also you didn't understood clearly. Okay, so I will be covering this. So obviously short description. Okay, till now you haven't added any short description, and I don't think uh, I have to add. And I don't think I will now teach you how to write the short description, because you will now confuse with all the things that I'm going to tell you ahead. So it's better to keep short description off for now. But if you feel like adding it in the future, then obviously you can contact me. Then obviously I will make a specific video for it, because it is very deep itself. Okay, so I do not want to confuse with this. Uh, let's start simple. Okay, let's come to description. Like you have added this description. Okay, I just wanted to tell you, if you ever feel like doing something like this, like I mean, what I want to say, I will go through you an example. Okay, now you can see the description looks like this. Okay, now the description looks like this, but uh, there's a tag. Okay, there's a tag called BR tag. Let's say I give it. Let's say I write here like this, BR. Okay, BR. Wait, this word BR. When I get this BR tag and upload it to my system, what will happen? The product. Uh, Let me get the product that I have. Yes, now you can see it will break the line. So I had given the BR tag here. Now just before all what is. So here if I give it before include, so a new line would have broken from this include type. Okay, so right now what is the actual text written on the CSV file? The actual text which was written on the CSV file was, from where did it break? From all verses. That means the break is from here, and added a DR tag here. That's where the line was break. So if you face any situation where you want to change the description to something, and you want to break a line, okay, you cannot go with commas or full stop, because CSV file has its rules and regulations, and that's it. Okay, you will use that DR tag, as I said. That was something I missed And another one I just told, that's for description. If you ever feel like adding one, just you can contact me. I will deliver you the video within 24 hours. Okay, no problem. Then as I told, dates end, start end, all those things I have already uh, told you in the previous video. So I don't want to repeat myself again. But if you did not understand any of the part of my previous video and I am not covering in this video, then please do let me know. Okay, we cannot go with things unclear because that will create problems ahead, and then rectifying that problem uh, will take much more time. Okay. Now another one thing is you made this mistake. I had to rectify this all. Okay, you gave commas to all the categories. Like this is a parent category. You gave comma. You thought that would be uh, if you give a comma, that will be a parent category, and next you write something, and that will be your subcategory, and things will keep going as with these commas. But as I told, CSP has its rules and regulations, and instead of comma, you have to give this. Okay, they give this sign to like this is a greater than sign. Okay, like A versus is greater than Audemars Piguet is greater than Royal Oak. Okay, it should follow this format exactly. I will be sharing you this exact CSV file, and from now on you will be making changes to this is CSV file. Okay, let me recall this thing also, that you do not have to give ID. You have to leave ID blank. Okay, you do not have to give ID. You have to keep ID blank whenever you add from now on. Okay, you have I mean these IDs are assigned, those are okay, but from now on you will be assigning new product. Leave the ID blank. Okay, but keep SKU ID like 124 125. Okay, this is mandatory, and I will be talking about all those things. Okay, now we have covered the description part, and what more, we have covered category part. As I told, give greater than sign and keep going greater than sign. Okay, like here after chronomat, if I want to add another subcategory, I will give another greater than sign and I will write something. Okay, so this thing it will go like this. Then let's talk about tags. Okay, uh, this thing I also mentioned in the previous video, but there is a little change. Tags. Okay, let's say you want to put a few products into bestseller for new arrival, for special, for limited time deal, like this section, and you want a specific place for it, you will assign tags to it. Like if you want let's add a product of SKU number 567 to bestseller. Okay, what you will do is you will add tag to help you. Yes. So what you will do is you will okay, let's take row 1, 2, 3. SKU 1, 2, 3 product. I will write like bestseller. Okay, and I will keep writing. I will or I will just copy paste it. Okay, to all these fields. Okay, and this should be same in every field. A slight mistake could uh, mess up everything. So what? How is it going to help me actually? Okay. Now, if you tell me that I have assigned to bestseller tag for which I want to show in the bestseller section, so I just have to do one thing only. I have to search for bestseller tag, and when I and on instant click, it will import all the products to that specific uh, section or tail. For now, I will remove this. And the images were fetched correctly, so I'm not going to repeat this again, and all the things I have told in the previous video, I will not repeat it. And brands were also correct.
Okay, now let's talk about how to upload the CSV file and either to update the existing product or to add the new product successfully. This thing is going to be pretty confusing, and if you do not understand my uh, English language, if you're having problem, because I myself know that I'm the good at it, you can enable subtitles. Okay, and there you can understand correctly. So let's say right now this is the CSV file. Okay, this is the CSV file that we had. This is the CSV file of total 123 products. Okay, that you had provided me. Okay, that delete all the. Okay, now one more thing is covered. Okay, now we are good to go. So right now I have this 123 product, and right now everything that is in the CSV file, every data that is right now reflecting on my site. Okay, so what if I want to change something? Let's first talk about changing things in the existing product. This is our topic one. Okay, let's say I change the SKU one product name to anything. I just remove this M just for example. Okay, I remove this M, and then I click on save and save my file. And what will happen after that? How am I gonna reflect this change live on my site? Now I will be taking you through this thing. Okay. Okay. Let's just take the example of this for just a few seconds. I am going to remove this M, and everything else is correct. Okay. Now I have downloaded it. Now after you log into your WordPress dashboard, okay, what you have to look for is all product. Okay, click on all product. Then you will see an option here, import. You have to click on import. And you. Now you can see here, upload your CSV file. Okay. Now you have to choose the file. And now let's talk about this update existing product. Here you can see existing products that match by ID or SKU will be updated, and products that do not exist will be skipped. What does this mean? This means that as we made a change to our SKU ID, SKU number 1, okay, now what will happen? We have made a change, we have uploaded the CSV file here. Our system is going to see that there is a change in SKU 1. Okay. Because our system detects from the ID number, and we are not going to give the ID number. The system gives it by itself, and we are just going to leave it blank, and we are just going to give the SKU ID, and we are never going to change it. I will come to that thing deep later on after saying all these things. Okay. So I have changed my something, whether that is the price or the description, anything. I've just remove this M, and I try to select this file, and if I tick this option, with that existing product that match my SKU will be updated. That means after I click on continue, our system will fetch that SKU number and it will see that there is a change in something. And when it will detect the change, it will publish it in our site after we continue. Okay. And then second line, that product that do not exist will be skipped. Here you need to mark it. Okay. So what is happening is if I would have added a product here. Okay. Let's say I made a change in this M, then I got to know that I have a new stock of a watch and I want to list it. Then I listed it here. No, I mean, not give the ID. Okay, kept it simple. Give SKU number 1 to 4. Give a title and everything. Okay. So what is going to happen is your product this time when you tick mark this will not be imported. I mean, it will not be published on your site. Okay. I guess you can understand. So how will our product will be actually imported successfully? Okay, I am going to make this more simple. So when you click on existing product, this tick mark, only your changes that are your existing changes. You do have the existing products and you make changes to those existing products in a new CSV file. And when you upload that new CSV file, our system will detect those changes. It will see when you tick mark this option, it will go through all the products that are were before uploading this CSV file. I mean the existing product. Then it will detect those changes and it will reflect on the site. But the products that do not exist, okay, even if you keep SKU or ID, that doesn't matter, but the product will not be added. Even for this, the product will not be added. A new product will not be added. Okay, I will tell you how to add product, but for just when you tick mark this product, the product will not be added. Only the existing product will be make changes. Okay, and then let me show you by continuing. I just gave a long speech. I could have shown you directly by doing. Okay, right after I click on continue, do not do all these things. Okay, these are good right now. Okay, so don't need to change anything. Just click on run the importer by scrolling down. Okay. Now it is taking time. Okay, also for that, let me for another example, let me list something. And what is the word? Popular? Not popular because they are going to do it for demo purpose. As you can see, import complete 123 products updated, one product was skipped. So when you click on import log, you will see all the changes here. As you can see here, you can see the reason of error. I mean, I forgot to tell you that in CSV file I have added this thing like I have put this into one. I have put this into one, and I never gave a title here. Okay, that's why it creates it incorrectly. So let's just click on view product, and you will now see that M will have remove. Okay, let's just search for that product. You will see the M will have removed. Here you can see the M is now removed from that specific product. Okay. Now, what is the step to add a product then? Okay. Let me tell you how to add a product. Here, uh, you will put it simple, leave it blank, and let's put it was 1 to 4, roulette 200. I will not publish it. Okay. It will go in draft, and let's keep other things empty. Okay. Or let me just give you a example of category. Okay. Category. Okay. Let's say I want to put it to A watches. Okay. A watches. So A watches in my parent category. Then I will put the greater than, and then Rolex this month. But if they are in any subcategory, I will set them again this greater than mark, and I will add the category. So I have put this. What more? Okay. Let me give also a preview of how description actually what is shown. 1, 2, 3. I will break line. I will then another focus 6. I will give another break line. How these things actually work, I'm going to show. Okay. Let's save our CSV file. So, now I will go to import. Now you might be thinking, yeah, you are thinking right. You are not going to tick mark this thing and you are going to directly upload. But another thing, with the existing product, if we make changes to the existing product and we do not tick mark this and we try to choose this, try to select the file and then continue to, will it reflect that change? Because there is a specific section to tick mark to exit the product. So let's try and see. Obviously, it is not going to show. Okay. Let's put this M back and try to drop it. Okay. Now this time we will not tick mark. We will continue. Now this time what is going to happen is our new product that we added in our CSV list, it will get added to the system and we can show in our product. We click on one importer and all those things you see, you do not need to change that. Okay, they are by default correct. Okay. Now you can see import complete 123 product tip and let's see what happened. See if our product was added or not. Our product name was Rolex 200. Okay, we left this thing in purple, I guess, because that's why it's shown error. Or maybe because of disabled one.
Or I don't know about this. So, I'm not here to do.
Just see if it's there or not. Rolex 200. No, it was not added. That might be due to that error I just shown. So the existing products will remain. It will just fetch the new product that we have added to the CSV file. For which things keep it there and then keep on running quota. Copy. That. There. 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 Still not added. Still 120 check products. Let me see what is the problem. Okay. Is this because of this public? If I put to the photograph, I get what one. Let me just address this problem. But in after.
That.
Okay, yes, now it works. Now you can see import complete. One product imported and 123 products were skipped. Now why 123 products were skipped? Because obviously 123 existing products are already in our site. Okay, they are already in our existing site. So obviously they were skipped. Okay, and it's not like when you upload again the CSV file, it will again upload all the 123 existing products and will make duplicated products. Okay, no, if it has a unique SKU ID, then it will not be doubled. Okay, or it will be duplicated. Now you can see our one product is imported. We will go to new product. Okay, it was because of that issue I just made change. Okay, now you can see I have this Rolex 200 and let me show you. Okay, also the click on view. So, okay, So here you can see the description. How is it appearing in by breaking the line? What I have written the CSV you can see, and how is it appearing? Like C123. Then I added this little code BR. This code BR. Then it break the line and keep breaking the line as I give the BR tag, and you can just see how the category has been assigned as I written by giving the greater than symbol. A is our parent category, and then comes Rolex. Okay, so this is how you were able to do all those things, and same way you could also do for the description too if you add something. And but why I was saying not to configure for description and ask me before, because I wanted to know in what style you are going to write this for description, because for each style CSV file has different format and you need to comply with that. A single mistake could mess up everything. Okay, that is why. So right now what I was thinking is now how to actually remove a product from your stock field. Okay, let's talk about it. How to remove a product from the stock field. So, okay, before that, let me tell you. Now you might be thinking of a question that is it not possible to update the existing changes in our existing product and add a new product at the same time by uploading the CSV file, uploading that single CSV file. Now it is not possible. Okay, in simple words, it is not possible. So obviously you need to understand that when you have listed 200 products and you made changes to 200 products, so existing 200 products, okay, if from outline or description or anything, you are going to tick mark that option and then click on continue, and all those things will be changed. But when you add a new product, okay, when you add a new product, then you do not tick mark that. But what if you have added a new product and you have also made changes to your existing product and you want to do that both things at the same time, but that is impossible. You have to follow two steps. Okay, I think you can now understand. Huh. So okay, I have done that, and the next thing was I was telling how to remove a product. Let's say I want to remove this product. Okay, I want to remove, obviously this is demo product. What I will do is let's remove this product. Okay, now the product, all the fields now remove. I will. Okay. Now I guess everything is okay because I'm going to share this CSV file with you. Okay, what is this? Whatever. Why is it other? So comment 120. Okay, 120 is Tudor black A blue dial stem tape. Let's configure this properly. Okay. So as you can see, I was on where? I was on how to delete a product from the stock page and also not reflect it whenever we upload the thing. That obviously, whenever you want to delete a product, you will delete it from CSV, but that doesn't how it works. Let's say you have removed the product from the CSV file, and whether you upload it without selecting that option or selecting that option, that is not going to let you remove the product. That for removing a product, you cannot follow that CSV file method. Rather, you have to this little thing. Okay, Obviously, you are in your WordPress dashboard. You have to go to all product. Where is all product? First, we have to hover over product. Then there is all product.
Okay.
Now let's say I want to remove this. I am going to click on bin. Okay. But if you do not find a product that you want to remove, okay, you can search on the product. You have to exactly write the title or name of that product here. Okay. Then it will show here. If it is. Okay. Now we have successfully removed the product from our software. Okay. Now what thing you need to keep in mind, you also have to remove this remove that product from the CSV file. You need to keep remember that what is not will not get created. Let's say you have removed the product from this dashboard, but you forgot to remove it from the CSV file. Now the next time when you will add a new product and you will go to import and do not pick match that check option to update existing product because you have added a new product and you want to add a new product to the profile, then those both products will be added. Okay, the product you add removes earlier, okay, and the product which you want to add, that will obviously be added, but that will be also added which you wanted to be removed. So this was the thing. I hope you understand all these things. I do not think I missed anything, but if I feel like I missed anything, I will definitely inform you about that. I think now everything is working fine. Let's just update that thing. We just made a change like on category to black to the red. Okay. And for that, let me check if everything is okay or not. Because I'm going to now share this CSV file. From now on, you will following exact same format. Okay. Okay, let's go. Work fine. I will edit this in product that my slide with to work. Okay. Yeah. Like you can say, import complete 123 products completed. Now you might be thinking I'll just make it into one product, but it's saying 123 products updated. Okay, it will show like that. Okay, you don't have to be concerned about it. That will have updated. Now, if you will have any doubt in this thing, okay, you will have any doubt. I mean, you can give it a try. Okay, you can obviously give it a try. You will make the CSV file. I mean, you will make changes to the CSV file. You will add new product. You will come to WordPress dashboard, find all these things, and do all these things. If you will have any doubt regarding this, feel free to reach out. I would definitely love to help you regarding this matter. Okay, so let's end this.